This year has finally shaken up the DJ gear market. We have brand new flagships, gear that have vastly improved, hybrid controllers, and even standalones that are battery powered and have speakers. So in this video, we'll cover everything, from the best budget DJ gear that offer way too much for their cost, to the insanely priced pro DJ gear that cater to a completely different social class. And we're starting things off with the cheapest one of the bunch, the Hercules DJ Control Mix at just $109. Now, if you're simply looking to dip your toes into the world of DJing and want to explore whether it's your kind of fun, the DJ Control Mix is the perfect starting point. Despite its seemingly minimalistic appearance, this unit is surprisingly feature-rich, equipped with decks, performance pads, volume knobs, and tempo faders. Thanks to Algorithm DJ, it can practically replicate the functionality of more professional-looking DJ gear. It's essential to understand that controllers like this one, as well as the pricier counterparts on this list, essentially serve as tactile interfaces that controls the software's operations. So in capable hands, a controller like the DJ Control Mix can perform just as impressively as its higher-end counterparts. However, it's important to acknowledge that achieving more complex tasks with gear like this might be slightly more challenging, but not impossible. Regrettably, it's worth noting that this unit lacks dedicated outputs, so you'll have to depend on your smartphone and Bluetooth speakers for sound output. While this may be a limitation, it's an understandable compromise given the unit's budget-friendly nature. Moving up to $199, we have the Hercules DJ Control Impulse 300 Mark II. This unit offers an array of essential features for a basic controller: 8 performance pads, 2 channels, a 3-band EQ, and notably, RCA outputs. What truly sets the Impulse 300 apart is its inclusion of DJs and Serato DJ Lite, providing you with everything you need to kickstart your DJ journey. However, this unit truly shines through its innovative DJ Assist features. This includes subtle lighting around the jog wheels and tempo faders that indicate whether your songs are perfectly in sync, making it an invaluable tool for aspiring DJs still honing their beat matching skills. So if you're seeking a comprehensive yet affordable basic controller that can assist with beat matching and incorporates most essential DJing peripherals, then the DJ Control Impulse 300 Mark II is an excellent budget-friendly choice. But if you're willing to invest a bit more in your DJing journey and foresee yourself using more industry-standard equipment, then consider the Pioneer ddj-flx 4. Equipped with 8 performance pads, a comprehensive mixer section, USB-C bus power support, well-proportioned decks, and bundled with Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ, this unit truly delivers on all fronts, like its predecessor, the ddj-400. But what sets this unit apart are its innovative new features: Smart Effects and Smart Fader. These functionalities empower you to effortlessly execute intricate transitions and activate exclusive effects. Take for example the Smart Fader feature. With the right tracks, you can easily and seamlessly transition huge BPM differences. The effectivity of this type of mixing, just like basic mixing, depends on where you mix your tracks and what type of tracks you're using. Now, if you're just starting out, the tracks you may be familiar with are radio edits. These are the exact tracks you hear on streaming platforms like Spotify. But DJs use special tracks with extended intros and outros to make mixing a whole lot easier. And DJs download these types of tracks from DJ record pools. And you can think of DJ record pools as huge libraries of music of all genres where DJs can download all the tracks they could ever need, including extended edits, remixes, mashups, instrumentals, etc. And the DJ record pool most pro DJs use is Crate Connect, and you can get a huge discount on their services by using the coupon code DJ Carlo when you sign up on their site. So if you really want to maximize your investment, I highly suggest getting a ddj-flx 4 and a DJ record pool to really set yourself up for success. And speaking of success, using the FLX 4 with Rekordbox DJ is pretty much perfect. 99% of what you need for DJing is unlocked when you use the FLX 4 with Rekordbox DJ. So if you really want to maximize your controller, software, and all of its cool features like Smart CFX, this combination is the best. So if you're a novice DJ with dreams of immersing yourself in DJing and the world of Pioneer DJ, this controller provides a perfect initial stepping stone to kickstart your DJ journey with its layout and Rekordbox DJ software support. Now, it's important to keep in mind though that in the modern DJing landscape, most DJ gear priced above $300 offer a comprehensive array of features for both basic and advanced DJing. However, the increasing functionality in these devices has led to a demand for specialized tools tailored to specific functions, and this is where the Control X1 Mark III by Native Instruments truly shines. The $300 Control X1 Mark III isn't designed to be your primary or first controller. Instead, it acts as a supplementary controller, expanding your options for hands-on interaction with secondary functions on your software, like loops, effects, stems, EQ, and more. Now, the X1 Mark III also features practical elements, like 3 USB ports at the back, vivid OLED displays, and under-unit lighting. So if you're looking for an additional controller that can significantly expand your options and enhance control within your preferred DJing software and style, then the X1 Mark III stands out as the ideal choice. Anyway, let's move up to the under $1,000 category, starting with the FLX6 GT. Similar to its counterpart, the FLX4, this controller offers seamless compatibility with both Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ. However, what sets the FLX6 GT apart are its noteworthy features, such as large jog wheels, a club standard-like 4-channel mixer, the addition of merge effects, and a more substantial overall design. Now, it's important to note a few considerations. Priced at $649, the FLX6 GT only provides RCA outputs, the pads aren't RGB, and some of its unique features like merge effects only work best with Rekordbox DJ. Moreover, the method for switching between channels to apply effects, done by repeatedly pressing a button, may feel somewhat less intuitive compared to the knob switch utilized in higher-end Pioneer DJ equipment. Nevertheless, the FLX6 GT remains a decent budget choice for those seeking a controller with large jog wheels and a 4-channel mixer. However, the lack of more professional output options may leave enthusiasts wanting more. Next up, we have Hercules' brand new flagship model, the DJ Control Impulse T7. Going for just $699, this powerhouse boasts an array of features, including motorized jog wheels, RGB performance pads, stem controls, XLR outputs, and a cleverly integrated stand beneath its main body. A big standout feature is its ability to emulate the experience of mixing with 7-inch records, complete with slip mats and vinyl. Notably, the dedicated stem control buttons offer quick access to create instant acapellas and instrumentals, enhancing your creative capabilities. And just like the DJ Control Impulse series, the T7 offers beat match guides and also supports both Serato DJ and D-Juiced. Now, it's worth noting that the T7 utilizes a belt drive system, distinguishing it from modern turntables that employ direct drives. Furthermore, the T7's crossfader lacks adjustability. However, considering the exceptional price point of this unit, these two minor drawbacks become more forgivable, especially when you compare it to similar controllers like the Rev 7 and Rain 1, which are incredibly more expensive. In this price range, the T7 is undeniably the best bang for buck controller, especially considering those professional inputs and outputs and motorized platters. Now, moving on to our first standalone controller, we have the Numark Mixstream Pro Go, which retails for $839. Now, it's important to emphasize that standalone controllers operate independently without relying on a laptop. So when you factor in its price, standalone controllers in general offer remarkable value. The Mixstream Pro Go is no exception and further enhances its appeal by offering the flexibility to work with Serato DJ, allowing you to seamlessly transition between standalone and laptop-based DJing as needed. This unit provides all the essential features, including performance pads, a comprehensive mixer section, extended tempo faders, professional-grade inputs and outputs, and a dependable operating system. Taking it a step further, this unit also boasts built-in speakers and a built-in battery, offering an impressive 5 hours of continuous playtime. At this price range, this unit is hard to beat, especially considering that it can work with or without a laptop. So if you see yourself DJing with a feature-packed controller on the go, then this fun and exciting unit is for you. Now, every controller after this category is pretty much good. They all have everything that any professional DJ would need, such as XLR outputs, RGB performance pads, quality faders, and premium feeling jog wheels. So what really separates them is the DJ they're for. And with that said, let's move up to the under $1,500 category, and starting things off we have the ddj Rev 5. This $1,099 scratch-oriented controller has some of Pioneer DJ's best gear features in it, such as a DJ MS9-like mixer section complete with a Magville crossfader. This controller also features dedicated stem controls, paddle effects triggers, and compatibility with both Serato DJ and Rekordbox DJ, which the other Rev controllers lack. Now, it's worth mentioning that in contrast to the Rev 7, this unit doesn't feature motorized jog wheels and built-in effects. Now, it's also important to note that like the Rev series controllers, the Rev 5 features a battle-style placement for its tempo faders, and this might disorient some DJs who are used to a more traditional layout. However, when taken as a whole, the Rev 5 is an excellent mid-range choice for scratch-oriented DJs. Moreover, the versatility of being compatible with both Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ makes it a valuable addition to any DJ setup. Up next, we have the Reloop Mixon 8 Pro, a gem that I believe often flies under the radar in the world of DJ controllers. This powerhouse boasts 4 channels, each equipped with dedicated filter knobs and paddle effects triggers, as well as robust jog wheels featuring central displays. What makes the Mixon 8 Pro truly distinctive is its dedicated iPad cradle, offering seamless compatibility with DJ Pro AI. The central mixer section is incredibly comprehensive, and the generously sized RGB performance pads provide a satisfying high-quality touch. And in addition to all these features, the Mixon 8 Pro is also compatible with Serato DJ. Now, there are a couple of aspects to consider. The first is the controller's completely symmetrical layout, which may not align with the design of most controllers in this category. Secondly, for a controller in this price range, it's unfortunate that this controller lacks built-in effects. Nonetheless, if you're an enthusiast of DJ Pro AI, the Reloop Mixon 8 is a great choice. Continuing with the trend of built-in speakers, we have Denon DJ standalone controllers from the SE Live line. This lineup includes the 2-channel Live 2 and the 4-channel Live 4. Both units operate on Engine DJ and are compatible with Serato DJ. They're equipped with all the essential hardware elements, including generously sized jog wheels, hardware effects, a comprehensive mixer section, and a whole lot more. Notably, these controllers also come with built-in speakers, eliminating the need for an additional monitor in your setup. And both units can work with Serato DJ, so these standalones offer the best of both worlds. But taking my personal preferences into account, for just a little bit more, I would wholeheartedly recommend SE Live 4, which offers a more comprehensive and versatile setup compared to the SE Live 2. Now let's move up to the under $2,000 category. Now these controllers pretty much are the flagship units, so they'll be offering the best features money can buy, such as 4 channels, onboard effects, DVS support, central jog wheel displays, and amazing build quality. So the best gear in this category is ultimately the unit that aligns with your specific needs and preferences as a DJ. So let's start this off with the FLX 10. This brand new offering has all you need in one controller. Large jog wheels with central displays, RGB performance pads, a feature-packed mixer section, hardware-based effects, 4 channels, and so much more. But what makes the FLX 10 really outshine its predecessor, the DDJ-1000, are its new features, like dedicated stem controls, improved Magville crossfader, more color effects, DMX out, USB-C connectivity, and dual compatibility with Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ, just to name a few. Now the big question is, how does this controller feel compared to the DDJ-1000? Is it any better? Well, the short answer is yes. Everything exudes a premium feel, and the build quality of this unit when compared to its other FLX counterparts is in a league of its own. There genuinely isn't much to criticize about this controller aside from its higher price. However, considering what you receive, this unit offers tremendous value while delivering the legendary Pioneer DJ Club standard feel and experience. So transitioning from this controller to a CDJ and DJM setup feels even more seamless. The jog wheels and mixer section on the FLX 10 are incredibly similar in both feel and quality, so you're getting great value at a fraction of the cost. So overall, if you're seeking the best controller that Pioneer DJ has to offer, the FLX 10 is undeniably the one. Next up, we have the Rain 4, Rain's flagship controller. Now this unit features large jog wheels with central displays, a 4-channel mixer, RGB performance pads, built-in effects, and its main claim to fame, dedicated stem controls. Virtually everything to rightfully control your music on Serato DJ has been mapped on this controller's face, so you'll never have to worry about utilizing your stems, jumping beats, or applying a bunch of effects on your music. The added 8 OLED displays above the performance pads are a great touch too, as they offer visual feedback for all pad modes. Now in my opinion, Due to its design and feature set, the Rain 4 is ideally suited for DJs who are heavily invested in Serato DJ and who may have a passion for scratching and open format mixing. Comparing the Rain 4 to every other unit on this list, it truly stands out in terms of build quality. And if I had to select a controller that will endure more than 10 years of heavy use, the Rain 4 would be my top choice as it features solid steel construction, unlike all the other DJ gear in this category and beyond. And on that note, let's transition to the final category. Now these units are all standalone, and similar to the previous category, they boast the most premium features money can buy. So kicking things off, we have the XDJ RX3. Improving over the extremely popular RX2, the RX3 features a jam-packed mixer section, hardware effects, capacitive jog wheels with central displays and tension adjustment, and of course, a large vivid 10.1-inch touchscreen display. It even allows you to record straight to your flash drives without the need for external recording devices. Now the RX3 however is not Pioneer DJ's flagship standalone. That distinction belongs to the slightly pricier XDJ XZ, which retails for $2,499. The XZ basically has it all, with all the features of a full CDJ and DJM setup, but with added conveniences of a controller. Many of you may be wondering, which of these two standalones is the superior one? Well, the XZ features 4 channels, DVS support, and mechanical jog wheels, while the RX3 only features 2 channels, oddly no DVS support, and capacitive jog wheels. The RX3 however features a larger display screen and much newer technology under the hood. While the XZ is still no doubt Pioneer DJ's best standalone offering, it no longer feels as cutting edge as it once did, especially with newer tech as featured on the CDJ3000s being present in the RX3s. But Pioneer DJ's got one more brand new offering this year, which we'll talk about in just a bit. Next we have Denon DJ's flagship unit, the Denon DJ Prime 4 Plus. With the Prime 4 being one of the best controllers out there, Denon DJ went ahead and took that winning formula and upgraded it for the future. This unit still features all the things that people loved about the Prime 4. Large jog wheels, RGB performance pads, a feature-packed mixer section, engine DJ, a plethora of effects, and of course, the vivid 10.1-inch display. Now along with the stunning finish, the Prime 4 Plus also features Engine DJ's most important upgrade, the ability to do stems. As of this recording, the Prime 4 Plus is the only standalone controller so far that can utilize Engine DJ stems function. However, stems on standalones is still very much in its infancy, so the quality isn't as crisp as their computer counterparts. So on my personal recommendation, if you plan to use stems for DJing, use the Prime 4 Plus with Serato DJ, as that still provides the best stem mixing experience. Overall, the Prime 4 Plus is an excellent choice for DJs seeking the best value for their money in a controller. With this investment, you're acquiring a top-tier controller that places you at the cutting edge of DJ technology. And that flexibility to use this unit with or without a laptop is just the cherry on top. Moving on to our last unit. So at the very peak of the controller price plateau, we have the Opus Quad. This eye-catching beauty retails for an eye-watering $3,200 and features some of Pioneer DJ's best handiwork, both technologically and aesthetically. So it features a large 10.1-inch display, along with smaller screens above each deck to focus on each track. The premium jog wheels are large, the mixer section is complete, and it's got a good array of hot cues for your convenience. These hot cues can also be found on top of the jog wheels, emulating the CDJ3000's layout. The retro futuristic design is equally stunning, with design cues from the 60s and 70s to give this controller a distinctive, unique look unparalleled by anything else on the market. Interestingly enough, this massive standalone lacks one thing that literally every other controller on the market has: performance pads. Their function has been solely swept up by the hot cues on top of the jog wheels, and while some may find this totally fine, my preference for switching modes while doing my sets makes this glaring omission a major drawback for me. But then again, this unit isn't made for technical DJs like me, nor is it made for DJs who are looking for value for money. The Opus Quad is made for a type of DJ who appreciates aesthetic design and the premium features that really matter, such as quality jog wheels, faders, inputs and outputs, etc. So if you don't mind the hot cue placement and obviously the price, the Opus Quad is definitely a standalone worth standing with, even if your wallet starts crying afterwards. But to be honest, all of this gear in this video will be replaced in just a couple of years. So if you're really looking to make the most out of your investment, consider purchasing my super cheap DJ course or joining a DJ record pool because those two things are on sale right now if you use the code below.